Welcome back to data analysis with Power BI. In our last class, we're trying to model this data from the model view here, and we discovered we had plenty of duplicates and some missing values. That is, in our table could not uniquely identify a customer. A customer is having more than one ID, the product is having more than one ID, then the sales reps are having multiple IDs. All these were the challenges we faced that made us not model it. Today we'll be solving that in this class. Now, you go back to your report view, that is your report view. From here, you can either be on your model view or on your report view. Then on the ribbon tab, you will see where it says transform data. You click on transform data. Now it brings you back into Power Query. In your Power Query, the first thing you would want to do is that the issue we have is that it's saying we have multiple connections. In such cases, that is, a unique value is having multiple entrance of an instance. Take for instance, if we could see BH117, which has a name, has a multiple appearance of that name. That is not supposed to be. So now, how do we do that? You click on customer's name and select and say remove duplicates. Now it has created a unique list of all your customers with a single particular customer ID. That solves that one. The next thing, for the sales rep, we discover that we have multiple sales rep ID having a sales rep multiple instance. So how do we remove this? We can say that we want to remove our duplicates. Now we have a unique list of our sales rep. The next thing we want to do is for the location. Now we discovered that, take note, here we worked on something before, that is, the location is a combination of the postal code and the city. That is, the location ID is a merged combination of the city and the postal code. That is, there are duplicates in them. So we can say remove duplicates, and here we could also say remove duplicates. Now we have, you may apply remove duplicates here. Now we have a unique list of our cities and postal code and the unique list of the location ID. Same thing for our sales, for our product ID. For product ID, if you notice, it is a list that contains the different products in the shop. Now we discovered there are duplicates within this list. Now The product ID, now as we see, we can say we want to remove the duplicates so that we can keep a unique list of all the entries in the product. With this, in our next video, we'll consider some other things that is causing our model not to connect. Thank you very much and see you in the next one.